Hello, good morning everyone. Once again, thank you for letting me present this assignment online. This fact sheet is about the sweet potato virus disease, the most important disease affecting sweet potato, which can cause significant yield loss to up to 90%. So this part here of the fact sheet shows us an image of a typical symptoms of the disease, the sweet potato virus disease. And in this part here of the fact sheet, discuss what are these symptoms. And below this section is a section which discuss the causal agents and the transmission pathways of this disease. We can see here the sweet potato feathery mottle virus transmitted by the aphid Apis gossypi in a non-persistent manner. We can also read in here SPCSV, or the sweet potato chlorotic stunt virus, transmitted by the fly Bemescia tabaci in a semi-persistent manner. And below this section, we can see images of the causal agents, transmission electron microscopy image of the SPFMV and SPCSV. We can also see here images of the vectors, the Apis gossypi and the Bemescia tabaci. And below these images is a section discussing the interrelationships of the vectors, virus, as well as the alternate host. Then going back to the top part in this section here, we can see a section discussing what are these alternate hosts. We can read in here the alternate host of the viruses, which includes the Ipomoea indica, Ipomoea caerica, which are wild relatives of sweet potato, as well as the Convolvulus arvensis and Solanum nigrum and Physalis angulata. So these are the with alternate host of these viruses. We can also see in here alternate host for the vectors, which includes cucurbites and solanaceous crops. Then below this part is on images of this alternate host. I only include four of them. Then below these images, I enumerate here prevention and control strategies, which includes use of virus-free planting materials, use of resistant varieties, vector control strategy, weed control strategy, and implementation of field sanitation. Then below this section are some of the references of this fact sheet. So that's it for my fact sheet. Um, thank you very much. If you have some comments, suggestions for improvement of this fact sheet, I will be providing you a Google form for you to write it in there, your suggestions and comments. I would be very happy to see your suggestions. By the way, at the bottom part here of the fact sheet, I included my contact details, my email address and phone number, and also I included here the institutions who provided me supports in terms of financial, technical, educational, just to acknowledge these institutions. So that's it for my fact sheet. Thank you very much for listening.